Hi, Vieira here with GrubHub. You have today the share price here at $90 an hour. I posted a video in real time on YouTube selling shares at 104. The company reported earnings. Earnings they were excellent, and therefore we are reiterating a strong buy rating in GrubHub. And this time around, I believe that you should buy a large amount of shares if you missed my upgrade to strong buy at $43. I don't see any reason whatsoever for GrubHub to be trading at these prices. Therefore, I sold when others they were buying. Today you have GrubHub with an excellent earnings report trading at this price, and you should buy GrubHub while the Americans they are selling. I already explained this thousands of times. I'm tired of repeating the same. I don't have any further comments. GrubHub, strong buy rating. We have a massive investment position. Thank you.